exploring the intimate social fabric of a remote Sri Lankan village. In the heart of Sri Lanka, nestled among rolling hills, lies a village untouched by time. Here, life moves at its own pace. Morning greets this isolated haven with the symphony of nature. Villagers awaken to a day filled with promise and tradition. Community is the village's backbone. From the youngest child to the elders, everyone has a role that strengthens their collective bond. Festivals brighten their calendar, a vivid display of heritage and unity. These are moments when the village's heartbeat is most palpable. Agriculture is not just a livelihood but a way of life. Fields are tended with care, following practices passed down through generations. As the sun sets, folk stories echo around fires, connecting the present to the past. It's a time of laughter and learning. In this isolated village, life's simplicity is its richness. Here, amidst the whispers of nature, the soul finds its peace.